This bodycam footage captures a tense confrontation that starts with a simple vehicle investigation but quickly turns into a battle over rights, police authority, and compliance. An officer questions a driver after noticing issues with the vehicle's plate and VIN information, but the situation escalates as both sides refuse to back down. What happens next raises serious questions about communication, legal orders, and how quickly a routine stop can become a high-pressure encounter. At this point, the entire situation revolves around one major issue. The officer claims the plate information does not match the vehicle, while the driver challenges the officer's authority to investigate. For law enforcement, mismatched registration information can be a legitimate reason to look deeper into a vehicle's status. However, from the driver's perspective, the concern is whether the officer has properly explained the reason for the stop. This is where communication becomes critical. A simple explanation can sometimes prevent a disagreement from turning into a confrontation. What do you think? Was this investigation handled clearly from the beginning?
753, can you show me down on a 37 vehicle at Cheesecake? Everything's 10-4.
10-4. The tension rises because both sides are now arguing about the same question. What gives an officer the authority to continue the investigation? Officers generally need legal justification to conduct certain actions, but during a vehicle investigation, the discovery of potential registration issues can change the situation quickly. The officer is attempting to maintain control of the scene, while the driver believes his rights are being ignored. These moments are where bodycam footage becomes important because it allows viewers to analyze the words, actions, and decisions made by everyone involved.
What's wrong? What's the problem?
So the plate on the back of the car doesn't come back to this car, and the VIN that's written on the plate doesn't come back to this VIN either.
How are you looking at the plate?
Because this is what I do every day.
This is the moment where the encounter changes from a conversation into a detention situation. The officer tells the driver he is not free to leave and calls for additional units because he believes the driver may attempt to leave. In police encounters, clearly communicating whether someone is free to go is extremely important because it determines the nature of the interaction. The driver continues recording and questioning the officer, which adds another layer of tension. The question viewers have to consider is whether both sides could have lowered the temperature before the situation reached this point.
Do that? You ain't got no probable cause to do that. We ain't broke no law.
Absolutely, I have probable cause. Listen, I'm not trying to start shit here.
Right, that's cool.
So, I do this every day. You see, I'm in the unmarked, backed-in cars, no front plates. You look at this car, and it's clearly a fictitious plate on the back.
No fictitious plate.
The plates are on a car to be visible to the public.
We call our lawyers and do that. We don't talk to nobody for nothing.
We don't know what was the probable cause.
No probable cause.
We
don't even know. We don't even know who is this or what is this. You hear me? So let's go.
Right, but I'm asking is, it was.
Yeah, stand by. Can I just get one more unit?
Now we see a common conflict during police encounters. An officer giving a direct order while the person being stopped continues asking for explanations. Officers often request drivers to step out during investigations for safety reasons and to gain better control of the situation. At the same time, people frequently want to understand exactly why they are being asked to leave their vehicle. This back and forth can create frustration on both sides. The longer the argument continues, the harder it becomes for anyone involved to de-escalate the situation.
No, you're not free to go just yet. You're not free to go. You're not free to go. Ma'am, do not get back in that car.
Yep, hold on a second.
If you leave, your tire's gonna pop. Your tire will pop if you leave. Do not get out of the car. Step out of the car for me.
That's a violation of my rights.
I'm telling you to step out of the car. You're about to leave when I told you not to leave.
I don't know who this guy is. Hey,
I am an Orland Park police officer. I'm telling you that right now.
get your phone out of tape. You violating our rights, man. You violating
I am not violating anybody's rights.
man.
You're not about to leave. Well, in 753, I think if you're going to try and take off on me. Well, in 753, let me get another unit here. You just went over to stop 6. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
92 to your calls. Can you add to the Cheesecake lot?
Step out of the car. Because you're leaving after I told you couldn't leave.
The arrival of a supervisor changes the dynamic because now another officer is hearing both sides for the first time. Supervisors often play an important role in calming situations, reviewing what happened, and helping resolve misunderstandings. Here, the driver continues explaining that he believes his rights were violated, while officers continue focusing on the vehicle information they say needs investigation. This is a key moment because the supervisor must balance listening to the complaint while also supporting the ongoing investigation. Do you think bringing in a supervisor earlier would have changed the outcome?
Who are you? Who are you? I don't know what.
Orland Park Police.
752.
I don't know what this guy is.
I'm asking you, what was the probable cause?
Fictitious plates on the vehicle.
Hey, could you take
He's
them?
stopped. I stopped him.
Well,
Everything's done for.
hey, take them. Take them.
Step out of the car for me.
Getting video. Everybody is getting video. What's the problem?
Listen, you already popped your tire here. That's
You
fine.
popped my tire. You owe me for a tire.
You can step out of the
I
car.
haven't broken any law.
Everyone can take a slow
I
down.
haven't broken any laws. What's the problem?
Come outside and I'll
I
talk to you.
haven't broken any laws.
If you don't step out of the car,
Oh,
What's up?
are you of some type of seniority?
How can I help you?
Authority?
How can I help you? We're all policemen here.
Can I get a supervisor?
No, we're gonna have you talk outside the car.
No, we don't talk outside.
We're going to talk outside the car.
I haven't broken any law, so I don't have to get out my car.
You do.
I don't. What law have I broken? What put papers up? What law have I broken?
you have fictitious plates on this vehicle.
What law have I broken?
That I just told you.
How are they fictitious?
Come out here and I'll talk to you. The VIN on the plate doesn't match this.
Is there a supervisor that I can speak to? Because right now I feel like I'm getting my
There is not.
I'm getting my rights.
All right.
Hold on. I'm walking.
I'm giving him a chance.
Hold on. Hold
Why are
on.
you asking him? Can you pull
1,
the car?
2, 3,
That's
4,
ridiculous.
5.
That's ridiculous.
Listen,
5.
Listen.
You guys are officers of what?
Orland Park Police
Orland Park?
Department. Listen, I'm telling you, you have to step out of this car right now.
What law
Okay.
have I broken, sir?
You have fictitious plates on the car, and I tried to talk to you. You said you're getting your lawyer, and you got in the car. I told you you were not free to leave while I was investigating this. I warned you about this stop,
What?
and you decided to drive over it.
How do you know my plates are fictitious?
The VIN does not match the VIN that's on this car.
Why are you looking at my VIN?
Because it's a probable cause. I do it every
Why are
day.
you looking at my VIN? This is
Because it's clearly fictitious plates on the car.
First of all, this is not a city. This is private. This is
Listen.
private. I'm in a mall eating
Okay,
with my significant other.
okay.
Now I'm asking for a supervisor.
I'm going to tell you to get out of the
I'm
car
not-
right now, or you're going to be placed in
I'm
the
asking
custody.
for a supervisor. The car's off.
There will be one at the Orland Park Police Department.
Laws. I'm not running anywhere. Everybody putting on their gloves like you guys can't have a conversation.
We will outside of this car.
No. You have to listen.
Sir, if you don't step out of the car,
Before-
you're going to be arrested for obstructing.
Excuse me, sir.
If you don't step out of the car, you're going to be arrested for obstructing.
I'm not
on the
obstructing.
charge. You are.
You are.
I'm not. I'm asking.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
Hold on. You're telling me my plates are fictitious.
Correct.
You have no probable cause for checking my plates or for checking my VIN number. This is what I'm saying.
No, it's just
This is
a
what I'm
turn.
saying.
They were on the back.
Now I'm calm. I'm relaxed. I'm asking for a supervisor.
Supervisor's not coming
it's
here.
available right now,
so you're gonna have to step
It
out.
has to be.
You're gonna have to step
It
out.
has to be a supervisor.
No, it does not have to be. There's no law, there's no rule saying there has to be one as soon as you ask for one.
Sir.
You will talk to a supervisor eventually.
has to be a
I promise
supervisor.
you that. You will talk to a supervisor. I can promise you that, okay?
When a supervisor,
Now's the time to step out of the car, sir.
I haven't broken any laws. I'm not obstructing. I'm not obstructing. As I keep repeating, I'm not obstructing.
You are.
Yes, you
I
are.
haven't broken any laws.
If you do not step out of the vehicle,
The car.
you are going to be removed from the vehicle.
Ask and you shall receive. I just took care of you. Got a boss here. He's coming right now. He's going to tell you the same thing.
That's
Okay?
fine. I haven't broken any laws. You guys are trespassing on me.
Sergeant O'Connell.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for taping.
Yep. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people recording this.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Now what I'm saying is, I just left out of here, out of the Cheesecake Factory, eating. I don't have anything illegal going on. This guy is beside my car saying my plates are are fictitious.
Well, what plates do
He
you...
haven't identified himself. My name is.
Right, he's wearing a vest that has his name and a badge that says Orland Park Police Department on it.
What I'm saying, he didn't identify himself.
Well, I'm Sergeant O'Connell, number 106, okay?
That's now.
So what
I can
is-
hear that. He didn't identify himself.
He's Officer Warwick 753, okay? I'm sorry we...
The conversation now becomes heavily focused on legal arguments. The driver repeatedly questions the reason for the investigation, while officers explain that the VIN and plate concerns are the basis for their actions. These situations can become complicated because both citizens and officers may interpret legal rights differently. The important factor in any roadside encounter is whether actions are based on lawful authority and whether communication remains professional. Bodycam footage gives us a rare look at these moments where legal knowledge, emotions, and police procedure collide in real time.
got off on the wrong
But
foot.
he didn't.
Right.
This is the first time I heard that.
I just got here, right? So I'm doing the best I can.
Okay.
So what is the issue?
The issue is, I don't know this gentleman from nothing in the world. Never seen him before. I just came out the Cheesecake Factory.
Okay.
I'm being told these plates are fictitious.
Is that true?
First of all, I don't answer questions.
Okay.
I will not be driving the car illegal. I will not be operating this.
So you're saying that it's not true?
I'm saying what I said to you.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
Now he's checking my vent and he's doing things and there's no probable cause for that. What is the probable cause for an officer to peek on this car?
To peek on the car? The probable cause is the Secretary of State and the Illinois State Legislature say we can walk around this parking lot and run every single license plate if we want to. Okay? We don't need probable cause to run your license plate, sir. Okay? What's your next question concerning the law?
I haven't broken the law.
You have.
Is there a reason?
This section highlights one of the biggest challenges in modern policing: trust. The driver expresses frustration that he feels unheard, while officers believe they are simply carrying out an investigation. Both sides are focused on their own perspective. For officers, safety and compliance are major concerns. For citizens, feeling respected and informed can determine whether they cooperate or resist. Many conflicts during police encounters are not caused by one single moment, but by a series of misunderstandings that build over time.
The VIN on the plate does not match the VIN on the vehicle.
All right, very good. Somebody you can disregard.
I haven't broken any laws.
Can you answer me that question?
I haven't broken any laws.
So you can't answer
I
that
haven't
question.
broken any laws. As far as I understand, according to the Constitution,
They can't get that, and that VIN doesn't come back to anything either.
Plates on my vehicle to go to A to B, and you know this.
Huh?
Did you run the VIN for all 50?
And you know this.
Yeah, I already called Dina. So you're saying you don't need plates to... Do you identify as a sovereign citizen?
I need no plates.
Do you identify as a sovereign
I
citizen?
need no plates. You
don't
guys,
think
you
so.
guys,
I think
you
that was
guys
there
spiked
already.
my tire.
No, sir. I'm going to ask you to step out of the car and identify yourself.
I haven't broken any laws.
I'm going to ask you to step out of the car and identify yourself for me, please.
I haven't broken any laws. I have identification, but I haven't broken any laws.
Okay, please give me that identification now.
I have identification, but I haven't broken any laws.
Okay, will you please give me that identification?
What law have I broken?
You don't have proper
Officer.
registration for your motor vehicle. That's the law that you've broken.
I haven't. First of all, what's the articulate reason of suspicion? There is none.
We're
There
allowed.
is none.
We don't have to have one.
You have to have
Are
one.
you Mr. Fox?
You have to have one.
Sir, I'm going to ask you to step out of the car and identify yourself for me.
This is very illegal. This is very illegal. Take it. Okay.
Huh?
This is very illegal.
Sir, I'm going to ask you...
here. I haven't. Hey, look, I'm taping everything. Run it.
No,
It's not
you're about to get...
They won't let their rights be infringed.
So, yeah, I'll talk to you over here.
Let their rights be infringed on. That's what. I haven't broke any laws.
So,
I haven't broke any laws. No laws have been broken.
The sergeant's approach here is an attempt to bring the conversation back under control. Instead of immediately escalating, the officer explains the situation and tries to convince the driver to step outside voluntarily. De-escalation does not always mean ending an investigation. It means reducing unnecessary conflict while still accomplishing the lawful objective. However, the driver remains focused on proving his point and continues challenging the officer's authority. This creates a difficult situation where patience and communication become just as important as legal procedure.
What's your first name?
Period. Period. This is the problem. You guys, this is why there's a disconnection.
Do you,
This is why there's a disconnection with the people. And the officers is supposed to be, the peace officers is supposed to protect the people. Man.
Absolutely, you're right.
This is why.
But, hey.
I haven't broken any laws. I'm coming here to spend my heart on fiat.
On what?
This is ridiculous.
Do you have a driver's license, man?
This is very ridiculous. I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
Are you traveling?
Why do I need a driver's license?
Are you traveling or are you...
I'm not operating a commercial vehicle.
Your key
At all.
is in the ignition.
I'm not
just took him out.
I'm not operating a commercial. Very
He was.
recorded.
He was driving.
Oh, okay.
Very recorded. And you're laughing.
I'm laughing at you.
Keep asking you questions.
And you're laughing.
That's my last name, actually.
It's ridiculous.
It is. Laughing.
This is ridiculous.
Can I leave?
You are illegal. That's not legit. You don't. Hey,
Don't
are
you
you
know-
taping?
Yeah,
Are
I'm
you
taping. Yeah,
That's fine.
that's fine. I see
I
you
have
are too.
ears to listen.
There's like
I have
10 of
ears
us
to
out here with
listen.
cameras on. That's
That is not
fine.
illegal, man. That is not legal. Would it
What's
be
not
okay
legal?
for someone to do your daughter or your son like that when they come out the
Do
restaurant?
what? What are you talking
No,
about?
it wouldn't. It
What are you
would not
talking
be
about?
okay. It would not be okay. It would not be okay.
How you doing, man? Hey, my name's Casey. I'm a sergeant here.
Okay, how's it going, Sergeant?
It's going good.
I haven't done anything illegal. I don't have to identify myself.
So,
I have identification,
okay. Do you mind if I get it?
but I don't have to identify myself. I haven't. I definitely mind. I don't do that. I don't have to do that. I haven't done. That's why I'll abide by.
Look that name up on iClear and
I'll abide
work it
by
out.
everything that I need to abide by, so I don't have to go through that.
Okay.
I don't have to go through that.
So
My parents raised me right.
here's the thing, okay? So the officer kind of just briefed me what happened here. All right.
The officer infringed on my liberties. My
Okay.
constitutional liberties, man.
I understand that. So the plates on your car don't match the vehicle, which gives him the right to investigate that. Okay?
My people died for this.
Well, nobody's gonna die here. We're just asking you to step out.
This is the critical turning point of the encounter. Officers explain that continued refusal to comply may result in physical removal and arrest. At this stage, everyone understands the possible consequences, and the situation becomes a decision point. The officers are attempting to gain compliance without force, while the driver believes he is protecting his rights. These moments are extremely sensitive because one wrong move can turn a controlled situation into a dangerous one. The question is whether enough communication happened before reaching this final step.
Don't talk
I'm
to
just
us.
telling you.
Okay? We're just asking you to step out and speak with us at this point.
I'm speaking right now.
I understand, but I would feel more comfortable if you stepped out and talked to me.
I'm speaking to you now. You're comfortable. I have nothing going on.
Okay.
Listen. You guys have weapons. I have no weapons. You have no reason to fear or to be uncomfortable.
Are there any officers out here that are pointing weapons at you? No, right?
Absolutely
We're just talking at this
Absolutely
point.
not. And let's keep
Okay?
it that way.
So, at this point, he gave you a lawful order that you weren't
That's
free
not a- what's
that
lawful
you
about
weren't free to leave.
What's
He's
lawful about an order? He didn't give me a lawful order.
I'm just telling you what I've been told at this point, okay? He told you couldn't leave because he was investigating the license plates that's on the vehicle because they don't match the VIN that's supposed to be on the
That
vehicle.
gentleman never identified himself. He's standing by my car. with an unmarked car. I don't know who he is or what he is. I don't know what's going on.
But he is wearing a vest similar to mine, right?
Identified to this young man, this sergeant. When this sergeant, it's the only time he identified, and he never identified himself. The sergeant identified him.
Okay, but
So
you understand he's wearing a vest that says police on it, right?
Security.
No, we're not moving cars at this point.
Security wear that.
What's
Security,
that?
this is not a stolen car.
Okay.
This is not a stolen vehicle.
Why don't you
I haven't broke a law.
Why don't you give me your first name, okay?
I haven't broke a law.
Because at this point, you weren't free to leave. You're not free to leave, and you could either step out and be placed under arrest for obstructing.
You guys could bring a bigger supervisor to tell me why I broke the law. I haven't broke the law. I haven't broke the law. I've been through this before. And I got the tapes to show it. And I'm constantly going through.
You're not listening to me. I don't even know your first name. You know mine. Okay? What's your first name?
I'm not identifying myself. I haven't broken any laws. I haven't broken any laws.
Okay, I'm going to identify you as sir at this point. Okay, sir? At this point,
Sir?
the officer has observed license. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm gonna explain it to you. Him?
No, you can't get a file back on
Could you be a pedestrian to tape the unlawful acts of these peace officers?
Look, at this point, this is what's gonna happen. Okay? I've asked you to step out of the vehicle, and right now, you're obstructing our investigation. I am taping, yes.
What's your number? What's your badge number, sir?
105.
105?
Yes.
Name?
Sergeant Wall.
Sergeant Wall?
Okay. Here's what's gonna happen.
She's with child.
Okay, I'm asking you to step out.
We just left.
You're making a bigger deal about this than it needs to be.
Doing business in this establishment. If she's hurt, that's going to be a harder penalty on you guys.
I don't want anybody to get hurt.
Out here.
I want nobody to get hurt.
After nearly 20 minutes of disagreement, the driver finally steps out of the vehicle but is immediately placed under arrest. Officers continue explaining their actions and attempt to keep the process controlled. Arrest situations require officers to balance enforcement with safety, especially when emotions are already high. The bodycam shows officers continuing to communicate while taking the person into custody. This moment demonstrates how quickly a verbal disagreement can evolve into a physical law enforcement action when compliance cannot be reached.
All I'm asking, at this point, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, okay?
This young man back here with the mask, right?
I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
I don't want anybody to get hurt, okay? Trust me when I tell you this. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I'm asking you to step out so that we can have a civil...
How many months? Hold on.
I'm sorry, I missed what you said.
You need a female officer here because I'm here. You can dismiss this young lady because I don't like her ha-ha-has and hee-hee-hees that she was doing.
Her condescending.
She's very condescending. And I don't even want her touching me. So if y'all have... you need another...
Nobody wants to put hands on you.
Can she be dismissed in general?
Okay.
Her condescending attitude is ridiculous.
I understand that.
She needs retraining. For real.
I need you guys to step out of the vehicle. Okay?
And the reason I'm stepping out of the vehicle
because you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing.
I'm under arrest for obstructing. I
Yes.
never obstructed.
Okay.
I asked you guys to identify
you attempted to leave his lawful investigation, at which point he asked you to stop and not go anywhere.
He never identified himself.
Okay.
For one. And if
that is something we could talk about later.
Okay.
I don't. Let me explain to you what's going to happen, and it's not something that I want to happen. Okay. Right. I don't want to keep asking you to step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
And you not complying with that order. I'm giving you a lawful order. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Just told you.
Listen to me. Okay?
That's
fine.
In the car.
Let's figure all that out later.
Okay.
Okay? You can have your day in court and to discuss that. You can have your day in court to discuss that. Okay? Here's the deal. I don't want to keep asking you to step out. I've given you many opportunities to step out of the vehicle to speak with us. You're not complying with that order.
So I'm basically being forced to get out of my car.
Yes.
Because I see you guys.
Yes.
Y'all set up to get physical.
Is anybody getting physical with you?
I said you guys are setting up to get physical.
Do you want me to get physical with you? I'm asking you a legitimate question. Do you want me to get physical? I don't want to get physical with you. I understand she's pregnant. I want nobody to get hurt.
So now I'm basically in fear. Because I'm telling you guys, I haven't broken any law. When you don't break any law, you don't have to identify it.
But you have. Okay? So at this point, I'm asking you to step out because our next option here is to break the window and to force you out of the vehicle, which we don't want to do. I don't want to be physical with you at all. I want you to comply and we can have a discussion about it. But at this point, you don't want to listen. You don't want to listen to the investigation. So at this point, I'm asking you to step out of the car before we're forced to break the window. Do you want your window broken? It's a legitimate question. Do you want your window broken? Yes or no?
I don't want anything broken on this vehicle.
I don't want anything broken on this vehicle either. I also don't want to have to physically come in there to get you out of the car.
So there's no authority that can prevent my rights from being infringed on at this point, basically. Because there's two sergeants. You are a sergeant,
yes.
He's a sergeant, and no one stepping in.
So we have not violated your rights, to be very clear, okay? You have refused to comply with Sergeant Wall's orders, and now, unfortunately, you are pushing our hands to a point where we're going to have to physically remove you from the vehicle to place you under arrest.
Which we don't want to do.
I don't think we could possibly be any more reasonable or offer a grander explanation in the parking lot of a mall than we have.
Okay.
So that's as simple as I can.
After the arrest, officers continue investigating the vehicle and examine the plate and VIN information further. They document the evidence carefully, including photographs and additional checks. According to the footage, officers later determine issues connected to the vehicle plates, leading to criminal charges related to altered or stolen plates. This part of the video shows why officers document every step during an investigation. Evidence collection and proper documentation can become the deciding factor when a case reaches court.
If you step out, it'll make life a lot easier.
I'm about to step out.
Okay.
I appreciate it, sir.
I'm about to...
That's what you're welcome to live stream, whatever you want to do. Just step out of the car, okay?
I'm not... Say what?
Thank you very much, sir.
Right. So hold on. What are we doing?
You're being placed under arrest is what we're doing.
Don't resist.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Give her the phone.
She has both phones.
So he make up a lie so I could be placed under arrest.
I can promise you that none of us here are lying, sir.
I'm going to double lock these so that they don't tighten up on you.
Flip around this way. Watch it back.
What station are you taking me to?
The Orland Park Police Station. Can you step out for me, please?
Yeah, I don't want her touching me though, so y'all gonna have another female officer.
Yeah,
I literally just said that.
Yeah, that's fine. And Guido, can you go on the other side? That's fine.
Yeah, she
That's
came.
And you know what? Get that young lady name. Who,
You're gonna have everybody's name. Don't worry.
She just I don't like her.
Sir, do you have an ID
there
or
was
anything
no
on you?
probable cause to run any plate or any vent number.
Do you have an ID on you or anything?
411-1602, everything's 10-4.
I'm being searched illegally.
Let's go this way. We're right here in my car. Come on.
I'm being searched illegally. My number is 708-931. I'm gonna need that video.
Have a seat.
Can we get you a ride somewhere, miss?
We can take you to our station. You're more than welcome to go back into the mall and wait for your own ride, or we can take you to the station.
Can I just get an ID just saying that we had documentation with you? That's all. We gotta, yeah. You're not under arrest or anything. Orland, 105 file. William to just advise if she's clear.
Ma'am?
You should be able to, yeah.
You originally started to say you have some sort of paperwork before you guys got in the car and attempted to leave.
Because it's not our car, but I'm not going to...
That's not your car? Okay.
That's how the kid break.
Tyler, you got the keys?
We don't want anybody.
She has them. Last I saw, she had them.
Yeah, she took them out of the ignition and put them in her pocket.
We just need the car key. You can take the keys off of it itself. I'll grab them for you.
5 subject.
Go ahead.
Will is clear and valid of Chicago, born in 91, active police.
All right, time for it.
Yeah, no.
Are they going to give you a ride somewhere? Or you want to?
I'm going to go to the station.
Go to the station.
Yeah.
You have an active FOID card, right?
It should be active.
Yeah, it is. Is there any firearms or
No.
anything in the car?
No.
Okay. Nothing on you, right?
No.
All right. When you
I
do?
just had search.
Okay. Look. Yeah.
But I don't have pockets or anything.
No. You're good. I just want to make sure before we get you out of here. That's all.
Our sergeant will give you a ride.
Okay.
He's got a better, nicer car. Yeah, way bigger. Like, one piece.
No. While you search the car.
Really nothing but candy?
This encounter began as a vehicle plate investigation and developed into a lengthy confrontation involving questions about authority, compliance, and individual rights. The officers focused on investigating suspected plate and VIN issues, while the driver maintained that his rights were being violated. The situation highlights the importance of clear communication, patience, and understanding during police interactions. Every encounter has multiple perspectives, and bodycam footage allows the public to examine the decisions made on both sides. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life bodycam breakdowns.
Check some secondary VIN locations on this car based on these circumstances. You're still recording, right? Yeah, keep recording while you're searching.
Joshua Curry, capital 1, male, like starting to be cracked open.
There's another one in here for somebody else.
This is Joshua Curry again, all the way open. Fayez Ganimat. I guess I'll bring these back.
Hey, photograph this plate and take it off.
I have.
Okay. You already got a photograph?
I'm going to double check that I have the full thing because I did it for the VIN comparison.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you do that QR code? Does that even pop up?
No. How did it? You just scan it? And
Yeah, just pull up your camera. Click on that.
no usable data found.
Yeah.
So it comes back, no record. Not VIN, just somehow they acquired it and put bad plates on it because it doesn't belong to them.
All right, you can turn off.